Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. My name is Kylie, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Today, I will be introducing you the newest and the latest product from Skinpotions. But before everything else, let's prep this up. There. So this is how a normal Skinpotions girl will do their daily routine. They will just moisturize their face with tomato serum and use green cream shade that is perfect and suited to their mood. But as I introduced to you the Skinpotions newest product, maybe it will also be part of our daily routine. So without any further ado, I would like to introduce to you the Glowdust. This is the PR package that they sent all the lucky Skinpotions girls. It says here, ready, set, glow. It's holographic. They really put an effort to their PR package. The box is actually thicker than their Dream Cream box. And it also has a magnet here. So, level up sila talaga sa ganitong PR box. And then, when you open it, tada! It says here, your skin but better. They have cute stickers. Actually, hindi ko talaga alam kung ano gagawin ko sa mga stickers na to. Ang gaganda nila na ayaw ko na silang gamitin. So, then their letter. So, it says here, hey girl gang! Hope you enjoyed the new Skinpotions Glowdust. You glow girl. So, the PR package has 3 shades. It says here, Glowdust Illuminating Loose Mineral Powder. I think this is their first ever powder product and it's already an illuminating loose mineral powder. So, kahit first time nila mag-launch ng powder, nag-level up kagad sila sa illuminating loose mineral powder. Imagine that. They have 3 shades. They have Extra, Sizzle, and Drama. Ready, Set, Glow. Glowdust is a luminous finishing powder that gives your skin a lift from within. The loose mineral powder formula sets and enhances your makeup and controls oil for a long-lasting clear. The silky smooth consistency lets you stay matte but not flat. Brightens and evens out your skin tone and gives you an instant glow. The weightless texture blends effortlessly and is totally comfortable to wear. Your skin but better. This is how the packaging looks like. It's sealed in a box. This one is a carton and outside it is a plastic. So this one is plastic. So all we need to do is to push the box upwards. So tada! At first, a lot of people are thinking, including me, akala ko their newest product is a highlighter. But actually, it's a 50-50 highlighter and a powder all in one. And the lightest shade is Extra, and I think this is the shade for me. The next one is Sizzle, and the last one will be Drama. First, when you open the product, oops! When you open the product, wow, it smells good. It has a net. It's like a cushion. Parang yung sa mga cushion. I will be using powder brush for this. I will be first putting half of my face. May product kagad na pupunta sa powder brush mo. And this one is already 10 grams. If you're wondering how much this is 399 pesos. So, ito na nga. Let's apply it. The powder is, flying. So, on my first application, parang nawala siya kagad. Parang powder nawala agad. Oh, it has that glow. Glowy na siya dito. Na hindi masyadong vulgar. And this part here is already matte. Let's apply some more. Parang nakaka-addict siya ilagay sa mukha. Tsaka hindi nakakatakot kahit marami. Kasi parang nawala. So, ito yung may Glowdust. Ito yung wala. Parang wala siyang difference. Parang pareho lang. But this part here is matte. It's more matte. It's glowy. It has that glowy thing. But unlike here, parang pawis na. Wow! Nakaka-addict na siyang ilagay. So, now let's put it on the whole face. Here mo. There. Ang bango niya, guys. So, it is really a very loose mineral powder. And it's really illuminating. Really enhances the glow na meron ka na. I like it so much na I think definitely this will be part of my routine. Look, the excess oil is gone, but there's still life on my face. It's not flat talaga. You can use this as your finishing powder for your makeup, or you can also use it every day. I think all the shades are compatible to me. Feeling ko lang. And we'll check it there. It's already 10:19 a.m. in the morning, so we'll check the product out the entire day. I'm ready for my close-up na. I will show you what it looks like up close. It's like 25% highlighter and 75% powder combined. And everywhere I look, whenever the light strikes, shiny nga, as in talaga siya. So guys, it's already 2:51 in the afternoon and I haven't retouched. Honestly, I still feel fresh. It's still matte. My face is still smooth. It still has that finish, but it's still not flat. How about the glow? Let's check if it's still glowy. Well, medyo nawala na unti yung pagiging glowy-glowy niya. But yung pagiging matte niya is still there. Ayan, and I can honestly say, I still don't need a retouch as of now. It's already what? Almost 4-5 hours and I still don't need a retouch. So right now, I'm already excited to try the next one. Drama Rama. I'll just put, again, half of the product on my face. Bakit parang maputi pa rin siya? When I applied Drama on my face, did I get darker? A little darker. When I look at my camera, it's not that really dark kasi I became like bronzy. If you apply this product, it will not totally make your face dark, but it will adjust to it. So I think I can still wear Drama. This is nice. See, I've become a little bronzy ganyan. There is still the glow. So this is already the day 2 of testing and swatching the Skinpotions Glowdust. Bakit naging day 2? Kasi kahapon, so sobrang matte na hindi ko kailangan mag-retouch from Drama. Nakatulog na ako. Pero wala nang anything sa mukha ko except for the eyebrow. So I'll just have a retouch and then we'll try Sizzle. So, ito ang effect ng masyadong pag-inarte. Nasobrahan si Noel sa cheeks ko. Tapos, tunay ko rin si Zoe. Try natin si Sizzle para medyo mawala yung masyadong reddish ng mukha ko. Time to sizzle. So, ang gagawin natin, lalagay muna natin ulit siya sa half of our face. Tinanong ko sa mga kapatid ko kung anong masasabi nila kay Drama nung sinuot ko. Sabi, super evident na nag-darken daw yung face ko. Pero parang ano lang daw, na-tan lang sa beach. So you can see it highlighted the points of my face, cheek, nose, shiny na siya, chin. I'm already satisfied. So, maglagay ulit ako sa kabila. There are some people who doesn't really like highlighters kasi maybe they have an oily skin tapos highlighters make it oilier. This one is a better preference if you wanna glow minimally. This is an innovative makeup product that only Skinpotions produce. And wala akong alam na ibang product na may ganito. Warning, addict ka. Okay, nakaka-addict kasi talaga siya gamitin, guys. So this is the shade Sizzle. Close up natin. To be fair with the other shades. Ayan. So there, pag tinignan nyo closely, it still has the shine. It's already 9:29. Itetest pa ba natin ang pagiging fresh ko? Wag na. I'm really satisfied with the product. I think I will really include this to my daily routine. I will give it 5/5. I love all the shades. I think I can use them in certain occasions. All of us girls deserve to experience the magic of Glowdust. It's a breakthrough. It's an innovative product from Skinpotions. I hope nag-enjoy kayo sa panonood ng video na to. See you again next time. Bye!